What's going on, guys? If you guys have a Challenger or a Charger Hellcat and you guys have the original brass monkey rims or wheels, then I have the answer for you. So I got my Hellcat from Illinois. So they transported it, and they did a tie down, and there was some nicks and scratches on my rims. So I've been searching through the internet looking for a touch-up kit, and I couldn't find one, and I was losing hope, but I found one that's actually the same color. Let me show you guys. If you guys have these kind of rims, brass monkey, then I just popped my knees. Anyways, if you got one of these original brass monkey rims and you have like a little bit of scratches or nicks like this, and you want to get a touch-up paint, but first of all, let's enjoy the rims. Oh shit, look at that, man. Whew. Let's enjoy that. The original rims, man. Brass monkey rims. That's beautiful. That's the nose. It can breathe. Yeah, this is my other car. Hey, we're not going to talk about this car. We're going to talk about this. So we're going to be talking about the touch-up. So I've been looking for the touch-up for this rim. Couldn't find any. Beautiful rim. Brass monkey. So I got a touch-up, and that would actually match this up. So let me show you. All right, so before I proceed, I just want to show you guys under the sun, well, a little bit of the sun. See, there's the sun. So that's how it looks like. Look at that, it's a definite match. See? This is it, guys. Hey man, since I got you guys this product, you don't mind giving me some likes, give me some comments, and give me some love, man. I couldn't even find this. I've been searching for this touch-up paint for almost a year and a half. I couldn't find a match, and this one is definitely a match. So all I'm asking is some sharing my video and give me some likes and some good comments. Shoot, that's all I need, guys. All right, let's try this. So let's try this nick right here, right there. I'm gonna need my other hand, so hold on a second, guys.